Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Happy to see you all here with this new gas update. I'll keep covering this daily as long as you want to see this. I mean, right now, gas hasn't moved that much. For the last 24 hours, it's basically just been consolidating on top of this area at $8 and the 200 EMA and the 786 fib. This is actually a pretty strong support level, which it is at right now. Now, overall, gas started out before all of this manipulation at 2.5 and $3. So it's still up quite a bit from there, right? It's up, I don't know, 166%, something like that. So it's still bullish compared to that, but that also means that it could still drop down lower, even though this is a strong support. But for now, the main thing I actually wanted to take a look at is if it's actually possible that gas will get some bullish momentum from here. Most of you know gas was very manipulated, then the manipulators sold it off, made a bunch of money. But what usually happens is that they still have some leftover tokens / positions, and that it happens that tokens like these actually spike up again. And then in those spikes, people get liquidated and they sell off to those liquidity areas. So that's what I wanted to take a look at by taking a look at those liquidity levels. And there, you can actually see that there is not even that much liquidity around the price. Like, it is around the price, but it's barely anything compared to what it used to be. And I think most of the liquidity right now is actually on top of the price at around $13, which is quite like that was also the target we talked about yesterday, right? So yesterday we talked about, well, usually a crypto like this spikes up again, and $13, there's a lot of liquidity there. It's also a very strong resistance level, so that could be an area with kind of a magnet to it, that the price gets pulled towards that target and then drops back down. And I think that's a possibility, all right? I want to stress that I think that's a possibility, but I also want to say that that's quite a bit, right? That's quite a big move up. That's a move of about 40%, which is, yeah, I mean, like I said, that's quite a lot. So I think what we need to see is right now the main resistance level, even though it's not on the chart, is the psychological level around $10. So I think it's possible that gas will actually rally back up to $13 and then from there find resistance and crash again. That's what I think. I think that's possible, but I wouldn't buy gas right now. I would wait for it to test $10 again, and then if it's able to break $10, then it's on, all right? And then it's going up to that $11.5, $13 level, grab that liquidity, and then crash back down. So it's a possibility. I would almost say it's most likely that gas will get a spike like that, but it's such a big move that I cannot say that. I'm going to tell you that you have to wait for that confirmation. And if gas, like the other side of the story is also true, if gas is not able to break above $10 and it just keeps consolidating down here, then maybe all of the positions are gone. And it's most likely that gas will really drop back down towards $7.5 and potentially lower towards $6 later. So $10 is really the key level. Can gas break above that? Great. If gas is not able to break above that, it's more likely to just follow a continuation pattern downwards. So those are my thoughts. I think that's everything I wanted to say. I would assume that it's most likely that gas will just continue dropping down from here with the wildcard opportunity of potentially breaking above $10 and getting a bit of a spike up. That's my summary. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. If you want to receive access to my own trades in my own Signal group or join my premium group, links to that will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week in advance and bye.